Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen Cat as a mermaid. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start with a small curve across for the top of the head. And then on each end, let's bring it up and down for the ears. Now before we continue the body, we're going to draw the star on the left side. We'll start with a bump up and back down. Another one on each side. And two at the bottom to close off the star. Now let's add a pearl underneath with a circle. Another one on the bottom left. And one more going out. Now let's continue the shape of the body. Let's draw a curve down and in underneath. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. At the top, let's draw a curve down and back up in the center. And then one more on each side. Now let's move down underneath and let's draw two curves out for the mouth. And another curve down underneath in the center. Now top out and let's draw a circle on each side for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now lastly for the face, on the right, let's draw two curves out for the whiskers. Now that we're done the face, we're going to hop down and we're going to draw the hands holding the seashell. Let's start with two large bumps out. Then underneath each side, let's draw an oval for the hands. Then let's continue the shell by angling it down and in underneath. And then let's hop in and let's draw two curves down on an angle. And another set on each side. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the tail. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up towards the center. And then let's bring it back down like this. Now inside the tail, let's add two bumps. And one more underneath on the right. Now let's add the end of the tail by curving it up and back in on the left. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for Pusheen. Lastly, let's hop out and let's add some bubbles. Let's draw a circle on the bottom left here. Another one next to it. And two smaller ones on top. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a circle. A smaller one underneath. And two more on top. And that's it for Mermaid Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!